What's going on, folks? I want to make this video for you all who may have a Hisense TV. It's the same for multiple different sizes of it, but this one happens to be I believe it's a 58-inch Hisense Roku TV. If you have this light right here that stays on, like say when you turn your TV off and it stays on at night and it's keeping you up, I want to show you how you can turn that light off. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn on your TV itself. And once you turn that TV on, what you want to do is come over here to your menu. You want to go all the way down on your menu to where you see settings at. When you go to settings, then what you're going to do is hit that. You want to go down here until you see system. You want to hit that. And once you see system, you want to go down to where you see power. And once you hit power, what you'll see is right here where it says standby LED. All you have to do now is just pretty much go over there to off. And once you hit that, what that's going to do now is allow to where when you turn your TV off, you'll no longer have that LED light that's at the bottom of your TV. As you can see now, that light is gone. So I know a lot of people complain about that light kind of keeping them up at night because it's really bright. So if you want to turn it off, you can just do what I showed you and you'll be able to turn off that bright light on your Hisense TV. This happens to be a 58-inch, but it's probably the same for multiple different sizes as well as like the Roku or whether it has Roku or not. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.